Are you a senior waking up exhausted? You're not alone. Many seniors experience poor sleep that leaves them drained. Today, we'll explore why this happens and how to fix it. First, seniors often face sleep hormone disruptions. These hormones regulate sleep patterns but may become imbalanced with age. Next, magnesium deficiency is common in seniors. Magnesium is essential for deep sleep and relaxation. Without enough magnesium, quality sleep could suffer. Lastly, lifestyle plays a significant role. Stress, inactivity, or even late-night screens can disrupt sleep. Now, how can we improve this? Start by incorporating magnesium-rich foods. Spinach, nuts, and seeds are great choices. Consider trying sleep supplements too. Avidasana.com offers Sleep Well Gummies. They provide the perfect mix of ingredients for better sleep. Remember, you're not lazy, your sleep is broken. Prioritize sleep and exercise. Both are crucial in your senior years. In summary, understand the causes of poor sleep. Address magnesium levels and consider supplements. Take action today. Visit avidasana.com for more information on better sleep. Sleep well and wake refreshed.